Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to schedule power on feature on Xiaomi phone. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. The power off and on feature on Xiaomi. This function allows us to set the schedule for the smartphone device to turn on off automatically. If we fall asleep, our smartphone will be turned off automatically and will turn on according to the schedule or time we specify. It's a cool, right? And in this video, I will show you how to do it. So first, you can open your settings on your phone. You can scroll down, you can go to the battery section. You can tap on battery. There is an option additional feature, you can tap on that. And you'll see on the additional settings section, there is an option schedule power on or off. You can just tap on that. So here's where you can schedule your power on time on your Xiaomi phone, because we want to schedule our power on time. On my previous video, I'll show you how to schedule the power off time, and now we will schedule for the power on time. You can tap on the toggle on here. You can set the time you want to turn on your phone at, maybe for the example at 5 a.m. Now you can tap on OK. You can also repeat the time. For example, we choose on one time. So your phone will be automatically turned on at the time that you set on here. It's so simple, right? You can just tap on the upper corner, the checklist on here. So now your power on time on your Xiaomi phone has been set. So that is how to schedule power on time on your Xiaomi phone. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!